After completing this course as a part of my journey, I have completed my internship from Adonet Foundation, where I have deployed a salary prediction model using machine learning algorithms and streaming. My name is Prateek. I'm from Haldwani, Uttarakhand. I have about 3 years of experience in automotive and manufacturing industry. As over the past year, I have been upscaling my skills in data science and AI. This is a program which I have enrolled from Intellipaat, and it's a collaboration with IIT Roorkee. The main highlight about the Intellipaat was the class sessions, which I like because those are in the weekdays only, 4 days in a week. So of 2 hours class live classes, and we have the other materials also like recorded sessions also from the previous classes. So basically, I think this encouraged me to go with the Intellipaat and their placement support role also. Yeah, the instructors are the good. They are the mentors of their field. Really appreciative. Intellipaat is worth something that I have took. So I feel proud also that I've been instructing with a good trainers and all in this industry, and they cleared me all doubts, which are really helping me now also. The Intellipaat support team and as well as LMS support team is, I think I can say I have no words for them because they are always ready to help us. Even if I drop a mail or something, I got a call, I got an email through them. So support team is 24/7 active. Their trainers are also available there. If you have any kind of doubt, how much sessions you take, they don't even count. And the LMS portal built by the Intellipaat is also very great. We have all thing over there. Your certificates are over there. Your assignments are over there. Your live classes, your recorded sessions, your case studies, assignment, all in one place. After completing this course as a part of my journey, I have completed my internship from Adonet Foundation, where I have deployed a salary prediction model using machine learning algorithms and streaming. If you are willing for upskilling something, if you really want to learn something, just try Intellipaat. Just go with the Intellipaat. You should trust their teaching and teaching modules, and success will definitely come to you.